Dynamic Systems is a full-service mechanical contractor based in Austin, Texas.
Dynamic Systems' claim to fame is that we track, monitor, and measure every single aspect of our business to be able to measure our productivity and efficiency in our prefab facility or out in the field. What I would want any potential customer or existing customers to realize is exactly how safe we are. We have a safety culture. We don't do safety for numbers, we do safety because we want to, and then also how efficient we are.
Our fabrication facility in Buda, it's 117,000 square feet of purpose-built fabrication. We moved 6 different shops here to try to consolidate them under one roof. We have a full sheet metal coil line, spiral line, laser cutters, plasma cutters, and we put out a massive amount of ductwork out of the shop. And we feed all of our Texas operations from here. The unique thing about this facility is it was purpose-built. When we started the plans for this, we called our guys in and we said, if you had an open slate and you wanted to build the perfect facility for fabrication, how would you do it? Our old way of operation in 6 different buildings meant 6 different forklifts, 6 different operators. It was very, very inefficient. And one of our goals when we built this new building was to get that efficiency up as high as we possibly could. At DSI, we do many shop tours a month, and we kind of follow the same pattern every time. We follow it in the flow that the information flows through the building. It starts in detailing.
And we show them the technology side of how we 3D BIM. At Dynamic Systems, we draw 3D and we BIM everything, we coordinate, and we do space coordination. So hopefully when we get out to the field, we don't have any issues, change orders, clashes with other contractors, and that works really, really well for us. We move from there over into the sheet metal, we call it the fishbowl. You're looking out through the windows and you can see out over the entire sheet metal shop. You can actually see the flow from that high up.
It's got our laser cutters, our plasma cutters, our coil lines, our spiral lines, and all of our fabrication of our ductwork takes place in that shop.
We roll across over there and right past, we actually have a viewing aisle for our clean room to where customers and clients that we take on those tours can view into the clean room to see whether we're in pharma production or microelectronics version. That's where we do all of our orbital welding, all of our fitting high purity systems and stainless systems and orbital welded systems. We move from there into the plumbing prefab area and we walk the straight length of the plumbing prefab. The plumbing prefab moves from front to back. That's where we build all of our bathroom batteries, all of our straight line copper prefab systems, and we cart and wrap all those and send those out to the job site from here. We do all of our hanger systems in that facility.
In our steel fabrication shop, it all starts outside in the yard with material handling.
The very first thing that you see is our outdoor storage area for all of our carbon steel piping. It's 100% under hook. When we say 100% under hook, it's under an overhead crane that covers the entire footprint of that storage yard. The trucks pull in right there underneath that overhead crane. They unload and they either go one direction for storage or they go the other direction for the Pac-Man, which is where production starts.
We've got a machine out there that brings in pipe one at a time through a custom door that we put in the building. It feeds right into our Vernon 5-axis machine, which cuts all of our pipe for the entire shop. From there it goes to the tack stations and the weld out stations. Everything is barcoded as it comes through, so it's fully trackable and it's logged as shipped to the job site. The fabrication concept is we bring things into a controlled environment so we can control the cost, quality, and schedule of that fabrication. When we can fabricate things as a whole and send them out to the job site and to be installed as a larger unit, it saves cost, it saves time, it saves schedule. A lot of our jobs nowadays are 0 lot lines, there's 0 laydown area, and it's just-in-time delivery, and the fabrication supports that. The future for Dynamic Systems is continued growth by selecting the right projects and doing the right thing.